Do you have a minute? Follow me. My job is maintaining APUs. We have an advantage in that we work on a broad range of APUs on Boeing, Airbus and jet aircraft. It's really interesting to work with this technology that equips the latest generation planes. Me and my team do what it takes to be on top of our processes and deliver the highest quality for our customers. They can count on an innovative and highly skilled team that develops adaptive and optimal solutions right up to predictive maintenance. I have a passion for technique, and sharing it with my team makes it even better.